The hum of the paint booth. I think this would probably make me a little bit numb in the head if I was here all the time like DeWitt is. I just wanted to show you, you can see again where we've shown you that we hang our parts after we've painted them, but here is a transmission out of an older Jeep that we have overhauled and put all new gears, all new seals, all new bearings in it. It's back here for DeWitt to make it look magic now with some paint. So all of the parts that we recondition and put back on cars get painted in the paint booth with a gun rather than a spray can, and they look great when they're done. Most of it's because the work that he just does a fantastic job making this stuff look good. That's what it looks like when we start. Maybe we'll catch a picture of what it looks like when he's finished. But come on in here in the paint booth because we're getting ready to do the engine bay on a Mustang before we drop the motor in. I want you to see what that looks like. So this was in really tough shape, but look at that. I mean, that is gorgeous. I hope that the video shows what it really looks like in person because it is really nice. He has done such a wonderful job, and the customer is just going to go bonkers over this when he comes out and sees this. And after we drop the motor in, it's really going to even look that much better. So we spent 2 days with the heated pressure washer cleaning all of this, and we found out that it looked to us like POR paint on here. And all of that got peeled off, and we got down to the bare metal. Then we sanded it, and then brought it in here, and DeWitt cleaned on it some more before we painted this. So this probably took 4 days to get to this point to make it look this nice. And it's really worthwhile now because when you get to see it like this, it's kind of already got part of its tuxedo on, starting to look good. And once the motor gets in here, all the rest of the parts, it's going to look great. So I hope you enjoy looking at this because it's really a pretty thing to look at. Barry Wilson here, Wilson Auto Repair. WilsonAuto.com is the website, and my YouTube channel. If you'll subscribe, I'd appreciate it.